Episode 4 At the Restaurant. Last night I went to a restaurant with some new friends. Everything was perfect. Good food, good mood. I ordered chicken, they ordered pasta. We were having a great time. Then the waiter came back and asked, "Would you like dessert?" I smiled confidently and said, "Yes, I love dessert." He froze. You love dessert?" I nodded proudly. "Of course, especially after dinner." Now my friends were staring at me like I just said something crazy. One of them whispered, "Why is he talking about sand?" I looked confused. "What? I mean chocolate cake. My favorite dessert is chocolate cake." That's when the waiter burst out laughing. He said, "Oh, you mean dessert, with two S's. Dessert means sweet food after a meal, and desert means a hot, dry place full of sand." I could feel my face turning red. I tried to save myself. Right, right. Yes, of course. I'd love some sweet dessert. I mean dessert. Everyone started laughing, including me. I guess one small letter can make a big difference. So yeah, next time I'll stick with dessert. Sand is not on my menu,